Dairy farmers in Mbarara have alerted Ugandans to get ready to consume larger amounts of milk at cheaper prices in the coming months. According to the farmers, the increase in milk is being occasioned by the onset of heavy rains. Milk traders had hiked prices since November last month, blaming the dry season.
Right now, we have started getting enough rain, and the prices have started coming down.
In Mbarara, milk prices were between 1,700 to 1,900 for a half liter of milk. However, in urban places like Kampala, milk prices are expected to stay relatively high due to the larger demands for milk. In Kampala, currently a half liter of milk costs between 1,500 to 1,800 depending on the nature of the shop one buys milk from. However, milk traders complain that still very few customers are coming to buy the milk despite the prices falling.
The turn-up is not all that good, though the prices have started moving down, because there is no money.
Some milk buyers say milk prices affect their consumption habits.
Bulijjo mbadde ngula litala y'ekatamata gabadde waggulu mbadde ngula afulita kubanga ebbeeyi ebadde nnyingi oluusi okula amatoosa nga mulimu amazzi n'oteekamu tutono ne bigaana.